Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the clear window drop front shoes box, which you allow you to immediately see the pair of stored inside. The drop front opening means that you don't have to unstack boxes to get the pair you want. It's an easy way to keep your shoes collection protected from dust while keeping them easy to access. So it is made from polypropylene and polystyrene. It includes ventilation holes. This one is the big size, which is holds up to men's size 13. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I bought like 20 of this clear storage case, and original retail price was about $9.99 each, and I got it from SoulLink. They sent me the link. It was only $7.49 each. So actually the shipment come from contentstore.com. If you guys, you could go check them out. It is currently on sale right now, which is 25% off right now. And if you purchase $75 or more, you get a free shipping. So, but you have to pay like a sales tax. So I am not affiliated with the container stores, so I pay it out from my own pockets, in case you guys are wondering. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So it is a double box, and then the box it says made in USA. On the box it says fragile, handle with care. So I'm gonna show you guys the box real quick, 360 like always. Each of these big boxes has consists of 6 clear storage shoes box. Unfortunately, I have 6 times 3, that's only 18. 2 other additional is coming, I think it's through today. So I'm not sure why they ship it separately. So there's the ventilation hole right here, and the clip to flap it down to open. And you could also customize a greeting card or gift card for whoever is going to give it to, okay? And be sure to check your package. If it's broken or anything, you want to contact them so they can ship you a replacement. All right, at first I thought this was broken, so it just came apart only. So there you go. So I think whoever installed it, they installed it right. As you can see, this is warped in. Also, you could take apart. So there you go, I fixed it. You just need to open it up and then open the door and then push that backing out. So as you can see, here's another problem. On the side, they didn't install it correctly, so I gotta fix that again. So this is another one that I was having problem. Another gift card. Another gift card. What? Oh yeah, before we go, let's test out this case real quick. This is Nike Air Jordan size 10. Let me go get some other one and then test it out real quick. But this Presto fly. Too high. So if you have like a high top, it will not fit in through the high of the case. So you got to put it in like a horizontal instead of vertical position. All right. So that just kind of give you like a rough idea of this kind of case and how do you put the shoes in there. Before you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.